we ring the technical team once a day.
Wow, okay.
Once a day, just in case, because we're retrofitting, we'll come across certain bits that we may think, oh, this can't be done, that can't be done.
Right.
So it's really helpful because I ring the technical team, they answer FaceTime. So
And FaceTime as well.
You can show them the wall, they can
Yeah.
have a look, ask them the question, they give you the advice, and then you go and fit it.
And you go for it. And that would help you as well, wouldn't it?
It gives us the peace of mind
And the confidence.
and the confidence.
Yeah.
Because you don't have to worry about, is that right? Is that wrong? You've
Yeah.
got the technical team
Yeah.
giving you the advice you need.
Yeah.
And it helps a lot. I
helps a
probably
lot.
ring them once a day.
Magic. That's good to hear, because obviously, you know, to hear that and to know that you value that support, which is what we're all about at Swip. We're here not just to make the materials and supply them. We're here to give you that support, because we know how important it is for you to get the job done first time, rather than have the problem of coming back if there was something wrong, because that's the last thing you want, isn't it? Having to come back and redo something.
Yeah, and they're really good because they answer the phone straight away.
And you get that peace of mind and that confidence to carry on and get your job done, because obviously you just want to get it done and move on to the next job, don't you?
Yeah, so instead of thinking and worrying, you ring the experts, they'll say, stand back, let me see the wall.
Yeah.
What do you think? And he'll just say, right, use that. Or use that.
Or that.
So it's brilliant. It is really good.
Well, that's good.
It's like having someone from the Swip department still behind you, helping you.
Helping you. And that's what it's all about, because we're just more than a material supplier. We are here to just back, because we know how difficult a job can be, and how sometimes just the slightest delay can put you back, you know, on what you've got to do throughout the day.
Yeah,
so
like you say,
having that, you know, having that technical hotline to support you it's important to Swip, and it's also important to hear you say it as well. That means the world to us, because it means that what we're trying to do and support, you know, not just, as I say, by selling materials, supporting the installers installing it, that means the world to us to hear that.
Yeah, you get that help.
Good.
It does help, that. It really does, yeah.
Good, well, thank you for that. And just looking at the job itself, perfect.
Thank you. We're known as the A-Team.
You're known as the A-Team, great.